Today on Renal Diet HQ, we are going to make this delicious cherry fluff salad. It's got cherry pie filling and a lot of other yummy ingredients. Makes a delicious dessert that's extremely kidney friendly, but everybody can have some. So let's get to making. It's super simple, only has 6 ingredients. You're gonna love it. Welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm Mathia Ford, and today we're going to make a very delicious and kidney-friendly salad called Cherry Fluff Salad. But first, I'm going to tell you a quick joke. So why did the cherry go to the party alone? Wait, and I'll tell you at the end of the video. All right, let's go through the ingredients for this Cherry Fluff Salad. I'm using no sugar added cherry pie filling. I bought the Walmart brand. I'm using sweetened condensed coconut milk to make it lower potassium and phosphorus. I'm using the zero sugar Cool Whip, which is lower in sugar for diabetics. Marshmallows, crushed pineapple, and walnuts. That's all it takes, just 6 ingredients, and this is gonna come together as a delicious salad that everybody's gonna love. All right, now let's make this super simple salad. So I shake up the condensed milk just to make sure everything's in there and mixed around, not hard to get out. We're just going to put all these ingredients in a bowl and stir them together. That is exactly how easy this recipe is to make. Cherries are great because they're full of antioxidants and they're very kidney friendly. Then we're just going to stick this whole container of the Cool Whip in. The hardest part of this recipe is mixing everything together. Everything is well combined together. It looks delicious, but we have one more step. We're going to stick it in the fridge for 2 hours, take it out, and see how delicious it tastes. And now for the rest of the joke. Why did the cherry go to the party alone? Because it couldn't find a date. So this is 10 servings of our cherry fluff salad, and my family just raved about it. They loved it, even though it had the zero sugar and the low sugar pie filling and the zero sugar Cool Whip. So makes a delicious serving, and the cherries are kidney friendly, and all of the low sugar ingredients make it so it's not super sweet. So let's give this a try. Get a little bit of cherry, get a little bit of fluff. That is so good. And it's still a little bit sweet, but no one would ever know that you use the zero sugar products or any special ingredients. So try this out at home. This delicious kidney friendly cherry fluff salad makes a great dessert.